Welcome to Cooking with John, the cooking show where I show you half the steps of how to cook something that looks really good. Powered by meats2u.com. Now today I'm going to show you how to cook a simple yet delicious breakfast sandwich with some chicken breakfast sausages from meats2u.com as well as a house blend seasoning. Now I like to use bagels for my breakfast sandwiches, but you can use whatever the hell bread you'd like. First step in this process is to wash your damn hands. Once your hands are properly washed, you can take some melted butter and brush it on the bagel slices like so. Brush, 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 brush. Once all the bagel slices are buttered and brushed down, take out your house blend seasoning and get crazy. You could add as little or as much as you'd like. Once they're all sprinkled down, pop them in the broiler. Broil. While those are broiling, bust out your chicken sausage patties from meats2u.com. Set them on a frying pan at medium-high heat. On another frying pan, add some non-stick spray and prepare 2 sunny-side-up eggs. While the sunny-side-up eggs are cooking, add some house blend seasoning to them to give them some life.
Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle.
Flip the sausage patties over and add whatever cheese you'd like. Broil. Pop the bagels out of the broiler and start assembling your Sammy. Now there's no right and wrong way to assemble your Sammy. Put it together however you'd like. I like to do this with my egg yolk just because it looks cool. Bloop. And here's my 8-year-old kid taking a bite out of the bagel sandwich. Seems like he enjoyed it. Job well done.